Welcome back. This video is going to be a guide to YouTube's new analytics tool, which is part of the Creator Studio. We're going to be looking at some of the features, some of the new features from the old version, and a basic overview of how you can use some of the statistics to help your channel grow. We'll start on the overview page. We've got the main featured graph at the top, which we can change to any of these four statistics. We'll leave it on the watch time for the moment. You've got a new feature which will show you when you uploaded. So if you've got a subscription based channel where your aim is to get people to return to watch your videos, then you'd hope to see spikes around when your new videos go out. If you don't, then you might need to prompt your subscribers to turn on post notifications. We've also got the top videos. This shows you the videos with the most watch time over the past 28 days, and the latest activity is sort of like the real-time updates, which it's now doing to each single view, which is quite helpful. It used to it would round that to 2,100. You've got the views for each video in the last 48 hours here as well. If you hover over a video, you can click on this graph icon and it will take you to the statistics for that video only. You've got all these tabs at the top which will go through in terms of the whole channel, but the method will carry through to each. This is the hub for each video, and you can see it's very similar to the overview for the whole channel. So we'll go back to that and we'll look at some of these tabs for the main channel. Starting with the Reach Viewers page, this one has probably the most new features and they're certainly helpful. We've got the impressions, which they didn't show before. It's basically how many people actually see your thumbnails within YouTube. So this is only within YouTube, it's not external sources as well. But this is, so when people see your thumbnails, that could be on the search page, the home page, or the suggested page on a video, for example, down the right hand side. They've got an interesting funnel here, which is very, very helpful because it shows you the amount of people that have seen your thumbnail, what percentage of that are from YouTube recommending it, and then the click-through rate, which results in the amount of views, then the view duration, which results in the watch time. So the click-through rate is the percentage of people, the percentage of the impressions that get converted to views because they've clicked on your thumbnails. If your click-through rate is low, then you might need to change your thumbnails or your titles to make them more enticing. So 10%, I think that's not too bad. It means that just about 1 in 10 people that see my thumbnails click on them, which isn't too bad. You've also got traffic sources on this page, so you've got traffic source types within YouTube and the external traffic sources as well, and the search terms. A lot of this is from the old one, but it's just laid out in a much more helpful way. You can expand it to see more information by clicking on it, and this is obviously quite helpful to see each individual amount of views for each search term as well. The next tab is the Interest Viewers tab. This shows you the watch time and the view duration and top videos in terms of watch time. So this is basically how many minutes of content that your viewers watch. Viewer duration, you'd obviously want that to be higher. You want both of these to be higher to be successful. You've also got end screen information, so how many clicks each video got depending on the end screen. So you can see the views from this video resulted in 54 end screen clicks, which would hopefully then transfer your viewers to another one of your videos or to click subscribe, for example, depending on how your end screens are set up. The Build an Audience tab focuses on the amount of unique viewers and subscribers your channel gets. Unique viewers are basically each unique person that watches your video. It will never be as high as the amount of views you get, but it would be interesting to see how many unique viewers are finding your videos. So my videos mainly attract people that search or are suggested to it, so that means there's going to be a high percentage of unique viewers. But if you want people to constantly return to your videos and subscribe, then the percentage of unique viewers against views should be lower. This page also shows your viewer demographics. We've got things like gender, age and top countries, so you can learn more about the types of people that are watching your videos. If this isn't what you're expecting or what you're aiming towards, then you might need to change how your videos are to attract the people that you're wanting to attract. Finally, the Earn Revenue page. Unfortunately, this one's looking a bit bare for me at the moment. Hopefully it should fill up over the next few weeks when they give me my revenue back. Fingers crossed. But a lot of this is self-explanatory and it is brought over from the previous analytics tool. Most of it's unchanged. The main featured graph shows you the estimated revenue, monetized playbacks, and CPM. The other graphs on this page show you things like monthly estimated revenue, top earning videos, ad types and revenue sources. Revenue sources will be things like the amount you get from adverts in YouTube Red earnings. Ad types will be the different types of ads that are served to your viewers, for example, skippable or bumper ads. Top earning videos will rank your videos in order and how much they've earned as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you've got a better understanding of the new analytics tool and how you can use it to help grow your channel. If you'd like to see a more in-depth video on how to actually use this information to grow your channel, then leave a like and leave me a comment as well. If you've enjoyed it so much that you feel like subscribing, then please do so. It's really helpful. And having said all that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.